Imagine a situation where law enforcement asks you questions. You might be wondering about your rights and what protections you have during this interaction. If police do not read you your Miranda rights, it does not automatically mean your case will be dismissed. What it does mean is that any statements you make while in custodial interrogation cannot be used against you by the prosecution in court as direct evidence of guilt. The reason for this rule comes from a landmark Supreme Court case, Miranda versus Arizona. This ruling established that individuals in police custody must be informed of their Fifth Amendment right to remain silent and their Sixth Amendment right to an attorney. These are known as Miranda warnings. The key here is custodial interrogation. This means two things must be present. First, you are in custody, meaning you are not free to leave, and second, the police are questioning you in a way that is designed to elicit an incriminating response. If both elements are present and the warnings are not given, your statements become inadmissible. This is because the purpose of the Miranda warning is to protect your right against self-incrimination, ensuring that any statements are voluntary. So, what can you do if you find yourself being questioned by police and have not heard your Miranda warnings? The most important step is to clearly and unequivocally state that you wish to remain silent and that you would like an attorney. Do not answer any questions. This invokes your rights and protects you from making potentially incriminating statements that could later be used against you. Even if warnings are given, exercising these rights is crucial. It is important to understand that Miranda rights only apply when you are both in custody and being interrogated. If you are merely detained, or if you voluntarily speak to the police without being prompted by questions, your statements can still be used against you, even if you were not read your Miranda rights. For instance, if you spontaneously blurt out information while being handcuffed, that statement might be admissible. This distinction between a brief detention and a full custodial interrogation is a nuanced but critical aspect of criminal procedure. Understanding when and how your Miranda rights apply is a powerful tool in protecting yourself during interactions with law enforcement. Always remember that your right to remain silent and your right to an attorney are fundamental. Asserting these rights early and seeking immediate advice from a qualified legal professional are the best ways to ensure your legal protections are fully upheld, regardless of whether police read you the Miranda warning.